Hello everyone. So again today I am back with two cards, card 1 and card 2. Close your eyes and think of the universe or the divine, or say I call on angels, archangels, the divine to help me guide as to which card is for me. Now if the card 1 comes, then this is the answer. If the card 2 comes, in the right card. So card 1, let's see which card is coming for you all today. Or the beautiful star card. It means that a lot of good things are going to come. It's renewal, it is peace, it is fortune, and there's a guiding light. Did you see a light from top? I feel something is going to guide you. You are going to be really lucky today, because everything is going to be in your way and you're going to really enjoy the day today in terms of abundance, in terms of happiness, and maybe, I don't know, I feel for some of you all, your deepest desire may also come true today, making you all really happy with this. And if you have selected this, which is your second card, then yet another beautiful card, the Eight of Wands. Actually, I really love the Eight of Wands, because though sometimes I feel that things are not going the way I feel, but I feel I cannot aim for much bigger, because there's a lot of high aims that you have. So today maybe you all are planning for higher aims, higher goals. There's a lot of progress. Now when you see this card, you will see a lot of swiftness. The wands are flowing swiftly, so maybe you will have energy to handle a lot of work today. Maybe you will have energy to handle your pending projects today successfully. If there's a lot of backlog today, you will finish it successfully. Overall, today is a day of high ambitions, high goals, everything moving swiftly and everything going beautifully in your favor. Have a blessed day, all of you. Thank you.